Welcome! Data storytelling with visuals in Python. In this lesson, you will learn how to turn data into clear stories using simple yet powerful graphics. You do not need any background, we will build step by step. By the end, you will visualize a real data set like a pro storyteller. Running the cell now. Let us start by making sure our output stays clean and easy to read. Suppressing warnings helps you focus on what is important. This will hide unnecessary warning messages. We import the warnings module. We tell Python to ignore warnings. Running the cell now. Try running this cell whenever you want fewer distractions in your notebook. You will use Pandas for working with table data and Matplotlib for making plots. We add a comment for clarity. Pandas helps us organize and explore data. Matplotlib is our tool for drawing charts. Running the cell now. Do not worry, you will learn what each line does as we go. What is data storytelling? Turning raw data into pictures helps people understand patterns, trends, and surprises. A clear visual can make even tricky ideas much easier to see. Running the cell now. Let us get a real-world time series dataset. These numbers show how many people flew each month from 1949 to 1960. We write a comment for clarity. Here is a web link to the data. We use Pandas to load the data directly from the internet. This will show us the size of our table, how many rows and columns there are. This will give us a quick peek at the first few rows. Running the cell now. Practice, try loading a different dataset by changing the link. Now you will turn the numbers into a visual story. Let us make a simple line chart to see how air travel changed over time. Start with a comment for context. We set up the plot size to be easy to see. We draw the number of passengers for each month, connecting points with lines. A clear title helps people know what they are looking at. Mark the x-axis to show time in months. Mark the y-axis to show passenger counts. We tilt the month labels so they do not overlap. This spaces out the plot nicely. Show the plot on the screen. Running the cell now. Try changing the figure size or labels to see what differences it makes. Crafting a clear visual, a few golden rules. Keep the axis labels short but meaningful. Titles should say exactly what you are showing. Avoid clutter, less is more. Use color or extra markers only to help tell the story. Running the cell now. Let us show the same data but add color, a legend, and a grid for more clarity. This style makes it easier for the audience to spot long-term trends. We add a comment about trends. Set up figure size again. Plot a sky blue line with a legend so we can label it. The new title focuses on the trend, not just the data. We keep the axis title short. Add a legend for clarity. Turn on a soft grid for easier reading. Show only yearly ticks to avoid crowding. Tidy everything up so nothing overlaps. Display the plot. Running the cell now. Try changing colors or line styles to shape your own visual story. Share your chart with a friend and ask what they see first. Let us add a special note to point out the biggest value in the chart. Annotating means marking an interesting spot so your viewers can spot it quickly. A comment about why annotation matters. Set figure size as before. Draw the data in green so it stands out. This time, we focus the title on the story. We label the months. We label the passenger count axis. Get the month with the most passengers from the table. Get the highest value from the table. Annotate means we add a text and an arrow to point at the highest value. Write peak plus the biggest passenger number. Mark where the peak is on the chart. Put the text a bit above the highest point so it does not overlap. Draw an arrow with a red tip from the label to the data point. Make the text red to stand out. Running the cell now. Annotate a different spot, like the lowest, to practice storytelling. For strong stories, always check that your data is complete. Missing numbers can confuse your audience or break your plots. A comment sets the purpose: spot missing or wrong values. Print whether any data is missing. If any data is missing, run the next line. Print the column names and how many missing values each has. Print the count of missing spots. Otherwise, if nothing is missing, run this line. Say everything looks good. Running the cell now. Always check your next dataset for missing spots. You can make new tables to look at the data from a different angle. Grouping by year will help your audience spot long-term growth. We add a comment to show intent. Create a new column called Year by copying just the first 4 letters of each month. Group all the months for each year together and add up all the passengers. Print the new yearly totals. Running the cell now. Try grouping by a different time period, like every quarter, for new insights. For some data, bars are easier than lines to compare side by side. Bar chart spotlight which year had the most growth. A comment about the choice of chart. Set the chart size. Draw a bar for each year, colored coral for a warm look. A clear title tells people what this shows. Label the year axis. Label the passenger totals axis. Keep everything spaced well. Show the bar chart. Running the cell now. Practice, experiment with other colors or styles for your bars. To help your audience see important details, highlight the biggest bar. Color can show what stands out without saying a word. A comment about making things clear. Create a bar chart. Draw all bars in light gray for a neutral look. Make the last bar red to highlight it. Use a question as the title to invite viewers to think. Label the year axis. Label the passenger axis. Space everything out. Show the plot. Running the cell now. Try highlighting a different bar, tell a different story. Sometimes, zooming in on a part of the data can tell a stronger story. Filtering lets you focus attention and patterns on what matters. Clear comment for intent. Select only rows where the year is 1955 or later. Figure setup as before. Plot the filtered data, using blue for clarity. New title for the focus period. Month labels. Passenger count labels. Tilt the dates as before. Nice tidy layout. Show the plot. Running the cell now. Practice, change the filter to try earlier or later years. Adding a moving average helps show the bigger trend hiding inside noisy ups and downs. This supercharges your storytelling, both details and big picture are easy to see together. A comment about combining views. Make a new column for the average of the last 12 months. Start the figure. Show the original monthly numbers in gray. Show the rolling average in blue, thicker so it stands out. A title that explains what both lines mean. Month labels. Passenger labels. Add a legend to explain the 2 lines. Tilt labels again. Space the plot nicely. Show the plot. Running the cell now. Try changing the moving window to 6 or 24 months and see how the trend changes. Mini challenge, pause and make your own chart. Try making a chart that tells a story about a time when passenger numbers dropped. What could have caused it? Use titles, colors, or labels to help your audience see the drop. Remember, a strong data story answers questions your viewers care about. Running the cell now. Mistakes happen. If your code tries to plot a column that does not exist, Python will tell you. Learning to read errors is key to fixing problems. Comment, now we see how accidents can break our code. Start a try block, so Python will catch errors if they happen. Try plotting a column that is not there. If something goes wrong, catch the error. Print a helpful message along with the error. Running the cell now. Tip, when you see an error, check your spelling and column names. Sometimes, you want to ask a viewer what title they like. Input lets anyone type and shape the story in real time. Comment shows focus on tips. Ask the user for a chart title. Print it back out to show what they typed. Running the cell now. Try it, run the cell and enter your own creative title. Ready to keep learning? Like and subscribe for more Python storytelling tricks. Recap. You learned how to read, check, and fix data. You made visuals that show both details and big picture trends. You found ways to highlight changes and tell stronger stories. With these skills, you can turn numbers into insights anyone can follow. Running the cell now. Want to level up your Python data skills? Try these challenges. Make a double-line chart comparing 2 years side by side. Change the color scheme and style for a bolder visual. Write a one-sentence headline for your favorite chart. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more beginner tutorials and mini projects. Running the cell now.